Hello everyone, this is Ray from Off-Highway Van, and this is our next episode of Tech Tips. Today we will be going over the Serbo GX50 system, as well as the Victron Energy VRM system. On the bottom right of your screen, you'll see a button that says Menu. Once you click Menu, you'll see another button that says Setting. This will get you into the settings of your system. From there, you will want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi allows our techs to look at your system and connect it to the database. If you do not have home Wi-Fi, you can connect to the Wi-Fi and hotspot on your phone. Once you get the system connected to the Wi-Fi, we will now have live updates of your system so we can help troubleshoot anything that might be going on. Now that we've enabled the Wi-Fi on your GX Touch 50 screen, we are now going to go into your phone to analyze the data. Once the Victron Connect app downloads, go into the app and you'll see My Devices and Other Devices. The device that you'll want to go to on the screen is labeled Serbo GX with the last name of your van. You're going to want to go down to the bottom of that screen and click on VRM Online Portal. The VRM Online Portal will prompt you to a browser on your phone. Once you get into this browser, it'll ask for an email address and passcode. During your off-highway van delivery, we should be walking you through setting this up, but if you've not set this up, please feel free to register a free account. The main screen will walk you through all the functions of your battery system to ensure that everything is working properly. The main item to look on the screen is the charging to see what percentage your van batteries are at. You'll also be able to see how many watts you're using of power through the DC power and AC loads. The last section on the screen will also show PV charge. This is the solar input that is coming into your van. Once you look at the data on that screen, you can jump up to the top left corner and you can see advanced settings. Advanced settings is mainly used for the technicians here at Off-Highway Van. You can also go into this to look at all the specific data. Now that we've analyzed the data on your phone, let's jump back to the touchscreen in your van, and we are going to go over turning your inverter off, as well as a couple other functions on that screen. As we scroll through the screen, this is a lot of the same things that you'll see on your phone. Jumping to the third set of the slide, you'll see a AC mode. This is turning your inverter on and off. As you go through the different settings, feel free to always leave your inverter on as it uses a small amount of power. If you did want to turn your inverter off, you're going to toggle through those menus until you see an off setting. Now we're going to go over the quantum theory physics flux system. Just kidding. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.